Hi friends, I am Patel Arya. This is an Lego brick tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can make an Lego brick in Fusion 360. So let's start it. So select R on a keyboard, it's shortcut for triangle. Select this origin, make a rectangle like this of 31.8. Then press tab to change another side dimension. Here we need 15.8 and do it enter and we will get this type of rectangle. Now here to press E to extrude this object, okay, to make a 3D model. So here I'm going to extrude about of 9.6 and I'm doing enter. So I will get this type of rectangle of 31.8 by 15.8 here 3D model block. Here now we are going to press C, selecting this top view, and I'm creating a circle of 5 anywhere but at this part. Okay, from here now see this way. Now I'm pressing D for a sketch dimension. Select this point and this line and give a dimension of 3.9. okay, and do the enter. So now again we need to give the dimension from this point to this point of same 3.9. So we get the perfect position of this circle. Now extrude this circle by pressing E and select this object, and here we need to extrude of 1.7 and do it enter. Now you will see the home view. You will get this type of compound. Now you need to, this is a very important step. Now you need to see carefully. Now you need to go to this create and go to this pattern and you will get this rectangle pattern option. Select that. Select this compound from here, so it will select whole. Select the direction, this line, and here we need to write 4 and the distance should be 24 here. So now we will get this. Again you need to write your quality of 2, means we need 2 rows, and the centimeter should be 8. So you will get this perfect view. Till you not get this type of perfect view, you need to try again and again. Suppose it's not work, please restart your Fusion 360 and it will be work. And press enter. Okay, so this way. Now go to the bottom view. This way I'm going, and now go to this modify. You will get this cell option, or you will get this cell option till your top. Select that. Select this face at the bottom face, and here we have to give the centimeter of 1.49. Do it enter. So we will get this way, this type of, see, it will become an empty bit of this layer. Okay, now go to the bottom view and select C and select this plane, and now create a line. When you create a line, create from the center of the circle. When you drag your mouse cursor to the circle, you will get the smaller circle highlighted by blue. From their point you need to drag a line to there when you will get this blue circle. And escape from the line command, then select this line and press X to your keyboard and it make a construction line. Now press C to your keyboard to make a circle. Now drag your cursor till where you will get the triangle. See, I got it. So this is at the midpoint of this line. Now create a circle till this point touch to the 4 of circles. Then you press enter 2 times, so it will be completed. Now press this and extrude. Here you have to write your 8.9 and we hit enter. So this way. But we forgot to make one thing. We have to make a circle inside this. For that you need to select O, select the plane here, this one, select it, this outer circle into select. Then you do write here 1 centimeter. This is going to be a perfect, and here this is outer circle. If you have outer, then flip it so it became inside, and here you do it. Okay, so it became inside circle. Now I'm executing this, deleting this execute. Okay, let's wait till it delete. Oh, come on, delete it. So you can, why it's not deleting? Okay, I'm controlling Z. Again, controlling Z. Now I'm doing, you can do by not exiting also this. Select this R circle. Give 1 centimeter. Sorry for that. And then flip it before, if it's outside, then flip it and do it. Okay. Now press E and exit this outer circle up to 8.9, and that was my mistake. Sorry friends for this mistake. Please forget this little mistake for me. Okay, go to the home view. Now go to the this type view and zooming it. See, you will get this type of cylinder. Now go to the bottom view. Now this cylinder I need to here and here. So again go to this create pattern, rectangle pattern, and select this last extrude option, means this circle, and here we need to write 3, it is default, and here to write a 16 centimeter. That's how I'm writing it, and you hit enter, and here will not work. I think so we have to select the distance. So here we need to select this distance, and now it will be work. Okay, so I forgot to select the distance, sorry friends. So here I have to write here 16 centimeters. Okay, that's how I am writing it. See, and now we will get all the perfect position of it. So we have completed making a Lego brick in Fusion 360. For like this more video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt about this making, you can comment me. Okay friends, bye.